In this video tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to enhance the speed and performance of your Mozilla Firefox browser. First, optimize memory usage by opening a new tab and entering about.config in the address bar. Search for memory and enable minimize memory usage. Open a new tab, enter About Preferences, and navigate to Performance. Ensure Use Recommended Performance Settings is unchecked and Use Hardware Acceleration when available is checked. Clear your browsing data by selecting Privacy and Security, clicking Clear Data, and checking both boxes. Remove unwanted browser add-ons that can slow down performance. Finally, Step 6 encourages you to maintain a streamlined browser by eliminating unnecessary extensions. Now, you can significantly enhance your Firefox browsing experience, leading to improved speed and responsiveness. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more informative content in the future.